Well guys, today's the day we're gonna be unboxing this. Well guys, let's try this again. I filmed this entire video yesterday, went to edit it, and it was 90% wind noise because it is crazy windy outside as it is today. So I'm in the quietest room of the house, in my daughter's room. She's at school. Let's get started with this. So guys, I went with the Nitrous Express Proton kit. Now in this box right here, I have another piece that is a fuel rail adapter for tapping into the Schrader valve. But before I get started in this video, what do you guys think of that shirt? My wife made that shirt. She designed it and everything, and I'm really loving it. If y'all are interested in a shirt like this, let me know. I'm thinking 15 to 20 shipped. Any of y'all that are interested, just let me know. But let's get on to this unboxing. We'll start with this little. This is the valve, which screws into your Schrader valve, and then your fuel line will go right to it, so you get fuel directly from your fuel rail. I'm going to open up this Proton kit. And the first thing I got is this gorgeous bottle with this Proton kit. Comes with a Lightning 500. Amazing valve. I've seen a lot of nitrous kits. This valve on the top is probably the highest quality. The lights are dimming. That wind's pretty rowdy out there. But this is a 10-pound bottle, and should do me pretty good for a couple of sprays. Next in the kit, this is the Proton valve setup. It's one body, fuel and nitrous in and out. It's got the T's, the lines, and it's got one head. One nozzle, I guess you could say. It is a wet kit, like I said. The lights keep dimming on me. We're just gonna keep trucking along though. The next one. This is all the hardware, the connectors, the main line from the trunk to the front. Unlike 4.6 Chris, I am on a budget kit. So I do not have a window or a TPS switch. I have this wide open throttle switch. And then all the relays. That's what the kit entails. So anything that I want to add on, I still want to get a pressure gauge. Excuse the brain fart there. I want to get a pressure gauge to go with it. And then of course it's got the important things like the license plate surround. And came with 2 of these Nitrous Express decals. And very detailed instructions that I kind of messed up a little. But it is the Proton kit. Like I said, I did this yesterday, but the wind noise was just terrible. So hopefully this is a little bit better for y'all. What do y'all think about me going nitrous? Any of y'all excited like I am? I hope y'all are. I'm excited to be joining 4.6 Chris and the Nitrous Express family. I got a budget kit through them for recommendations. The whole reason I went with Nitrous Express is because of the way they treat But the way they treat 4.6 Chris and the customer service and what they do for him, I wanted to be part of that family. And Nitrous Express goes above and beyond, a lot like LMR. You're not going to find many companies that are that involved in the Mustang community. Well guys, I know this wasn't very detailed on my plans, other than the fact that you know I'm going nitrous. But I will cover in another video what I plan on doing as far as the shot I plan on running, the tune setup, all this stuff. I'll cover all that in the future. Like I said, I just wanted to show y'all the unboxing and what was in there, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never